Welcome back to our channel. Question 14 is easy but a little bit 2 to 1. Okay, choose. Okay, first of all, you remember this gel. You want the gel for DNA. Remember they have a different masses. I remember they have different masses, that they have different length, different number of combos. You can describe number of base pair. You can different way to describe them, and then they have different mass and different position, right? So, but the problem is the tricky thing is here is, first of all, specific charge, bye bye, right? Particular base sequence, bye bye. So A or B. The most important thing is your understanding of this chart, right? Same or similar. You need to understand that in the modern world, the gel you want it is very, very accurate. Even one or two base pair, the differences can be distinguished by this way. So if they really have this at the same band, they have exactly the same, no matter it's a length or number of base pair. Okay, the accuracy is very high nowadays, so the answer is A. If you don't know it, not sure, then just guess A or B. Okay, 50% is better than 25, right? So hooray, we make it. Okay, remember DNA gel exactly the same, not similar. Okay, see you guys.